You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. The Cherokee has your back on all your adventures. Its generous cargo capacity, safety technology, off-road capability, and passenger-friendly interior infuse each journey with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Rugged off-road cargo hauler meets refined connected SUV in the Cherokee. Drive it today.